I wanted to talk to you about the show Wednesday and what we talked about. We talked about stress, and Dr. Bernadette talked about how to reduce stress by paying attention to your health. And I talked about how to reduce stress by using love, joy, and peace. What I didn't get to talk about is remembering who you are. When you don't remember who you are, you create stress because you forget that you're powerful, you forget that you're limitless, and you forget that you're invincible. You forget that God is on the inside of you, and we have His guidance and His wisdom at any given time. So, the stress reducing tip of the day is remember who you are. If you want to listen to the replay of the show, click the link below. I'll talk to you next time. Be inspired. Love you.